You know what season it is? It's football season. And you know what that means? Is wings. Oh, hold on. How about something different and better than wings? Not that there's much better than wings, but anyways, we have Nutrafarms drumsticks. Now these are the real deal. Nice and big, so if you're watching the game with your friends and family, these will satisfy any hunger. And we're gonna do two different sauces. One is a New York butter. So what I've done here is I've taken some clarified butter and just warmed it up. And if you're looking for clarified butter, it's ghee. And you can buy it at any grocery store. Take some Frank's hot sauce. So we're gonna mix a quarter of a cup to Frank's hot sauce in the butter. We're gonna give it a quick whisk, just to incorporate it. And this does not take long at all. We're gonna add in our drumsticks, our Nutrafarms drumsticks. Again, very healthy, very good for us. And we're not deep frying, so it truly is good for us. We'll mix that together. Now, if you wanted to, you can marinate them for about 4 to 6 hours and then put them onto your baking sheet. We want them onto a parchment lined baking sheet, just like so. Oh yeah. And then the other one is taking my new Waterloo Dark barbecue sauce. We're gonna take some more drumsticks. We're gonna incorporate in some of the barbecue sauce with the drumsticks. And the same thing, if you'd like to marinate this, you can marinate this from 4 to 6 hours. Again, just kind of let it permeate into the drumstick. It'll be absolutely fantastic. So, we're gonna take our drumsticks, a little bit of sauce. I have my oven on convection setting at 425. The important part is making sure you put parchment paper on your baking sheet. In it goes. We're gonna look at this in 15 minutes and we're gonna have some amazing drumsticks. You might never go back to wings after eating these. Barbecue sauce, nice and caramelized on our drumsticks. Oh yeah, look at this. And this is why we use parchment paper. You're not going to ruin your pan. Doesn't stick. Once you have one of these, like I said, you might not go back to wings. For these recipes and more, check out nutrafarms.ca.